Hi, Hi, I'm Atif Mohammed. Today I'm going to show you how this page works in the backend of things. So, hi, I'm Atif Mohammed. I'm currently studying in Java Institute's Kurnagal branch. I'm from the Giraffe page. So, in the past video, I have showed you how I designed this login and sign up page. In this video, I'm going to show you how the back end of the things work here. So I have designed this using PHP and HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. But today we are going to see how the back end of things work, how we get the information from here to the database, and in this sign up page, sign in page, how we confirm whether the password entered is correct or wrong, and how that goes to the database and how it gets verified in this page. So let's go to the VS Code and see how it works. Okay. So the VS Code is the app I have uh, used to write the code for this project. So we can see in index.php we can see where we get the information from to send to the database. So in the sign up page, let's see the sign up box first. So in here you can see for every input I have assigned an ID here. So from this ID we can use it to get the element from here in the script.js file. So in the script.js file, we can append, so in here we can assign a variable and we can get the element using that ID. So in every element for the sign up page, we have used that to get an element. So then I have added a form data, created a new form data to collect that data, and we have appended a letter for everything, and we have code that variable from here. So in example for f, in f we have appended a name called given a name to that file as f, and f name dot value. So in here what will be the value is assigned to here. So that thing happened to every role. So in here you can say f name, in here we can say l name for the last name, here you can say email, password, mobile, and gender. Gender is selected from a drop down, which is also gotten by the database also. So other than that, we can see that in the script.js file, those are how it happened. So in so then from there, these are delivered to the sign up process by post method. By the post method, those are received here. So then we have to assign another variable in the PHP form of things. So in JS, we use the var syllable, and in here we use the dollar sign and then give a name for that. Then it will show up here. Then I have used this if and else's to verify if those are the if the fields are empty or not. So if the fields are empty, these will show up in those pages. So in here I have given a string length, str length to verify if the password is more than 5 letters and less than 15 letters. And then I have given a used break match to verify if the mobile number is according to the Sri Lankan standards, just like 07 starts with 07 and includes one of these numbers, then there will be nine numbers here, like this seven numbers. And then I have used this to input those data, this to search whether if the email and password already exist. I have used this code to search that. If someone is trying to register again with a with a email and password that's already in use, that will cause redundancies in the database. So this will check whether if it is available or not. If it is available, it will show that the user already exists to use another email. So then after collecting all of that data, these data will be entered into the database using this. After pressing the button in the main page, this will be triggered, so the data will be added to the database from this. And then it will show the echo success. So let's see the sign in process. So in the sign in process works the same way as the sign up process. Here I have included the connection.php and I have started a session, and the same way as that I have got the uh, data from the PHP from the JS here as with using the post method, and I have assigned variables to them also, and I have checked whether the email is empty or not, and I have checked if the password is empty or not. Then I reinstated a search query to search if the user and the email matches the user, not the user, from the email and the password matches one in that already exists in the database. So, for example, we can see in the user table, it will search where the email address and the password matches or not. Then in this line, we checks if there's a data like that. Then this fetches will fetch the data from there. Then if the check remember me button is pressed, this will create a database, not the database, a cookie basically. So this cookie will last for around a year as stated here. So that cookie will help us not to enter the password every time we use the database. If we use the not the database, the website. So that's basically it for this website. There's not much happening here. So for example, I can show you how it works here. So first, I need to enter the username and the password. Just wait a second. So you can see if I enter the username and the password, I have entered a invalid password, so it shows invalid. If I entered the correct password, it will show that I have correct I have put in the correct password, and then it will go to the other page. So thank you all for watching. That's it for this video. I hope you all understood what I was trying to convey. Thank you all for watching. Hope we meet in another video.